Good day, welcome to Flip TV News. My name is Tolu Lokwe. Federal government targets 796 billion naira yearly from proposed 5% petrol surcharge. The federal government is considering the introduction of a 5% surcharge on the pump price of petrol as part of efforts to bolster the road fund and improve the nation's road infrastructure. If approved, the surcharge could generate up to 796 billion naira annually. The proposal, currently under review, is aimed at providing a sustainable source of funding for road maintenance and development across the country. The move is part of ongoing reforms to ensure that the road fund becomes self-financing and efficient. Officials believe that with Nigeria's average annual petrol consumption exceeding 33 billion litres, a 5% levy would provide substantial resources for critical road projects. The surcharge will be implemented at the point of sale, meaning consumers will bear the extra cost per litre of petrol purchased. While the plan is still being evaluated, discussions have been ongoing between relevant stakeholders, including the Ministries of Works, Finance, and Petroleum, as well as regulatory agencies. The proposed policy is expected to align with global best practices, where road users contribute directly to infrastructure funding through various levies and tolls. However, it may face opposition from the public, especially considering the already high cost of living and recent fuel subsidy removal. Government officials maintain that the surcharge is a necessary step to end the era of poorly maintained roads and ensure a consistent flow of funds for the road sector, independent of budgetary allocations. Thank you for listening to Flip TV News. Do enjoy the rest of your day.